All right, third graders, let's go ahead and review our spelling pattern for the week. So let's take a look at our spelling cards. The first card, we see that our pattern of vowel, consonant, vowel, with one single vowel in the middle. In the word lemon, we know that when we divide it after the consonant, this becomes short. Le, lem, lem, So that is short, and then when we go to the next one, when it's divided after the first vowel, then it's long. So tiger, tiger. All right, let's practice our 3 words for today. So the first word is pupil. What's the word? Pupil. I'm going to start by pushing out my sounds. P, U, P, I, O. Pupil. There are 5 sounds in pupil. I'm going to bring down my sound and write the letter or letters that make the sound. P. What letter makes P? P. U. What letter makes U? The letter U. It's saying its name. It's a long vowel. Then I hear P. What letter makes P? Well, I just did that at the beginning. P. Then I have I. What letter makes I? I. And what letter makes ul? Ul. L. So there's my word, pupil. Let's check this pattern. Vowel, consonant, vowel. And because I hear that long vowel sound, I know I'm going to draw the line before my consonant in the middle. So when I write it, P, U, P, I, O, pupil. You have a pupil in your eyelid, or students are a teacher's pupil. So there's 2 meanings to the word pupil. All right, our next word is focus. What's the word? Focus. I'm going to start by pushing out my sounds. F, O, K, S. Focus. I'm going to bring down my sounds. F, O, K, S. Focus. Oh, I didn't write my letters. So, F, O is O, it says its name. K, C, U, S. Focus. Let's check the pattern. Vowel, consonant, vowel. And because I hear that long O, I'm going to do it before my consonant of C. So when I write it, O, K, S. Focus. It's separated after that first vowel in the pattern. And when I write it in cursive, here's what it would look like. We need to focus on our work. All right, let's do our last word for today. The word is robot. What's the word? Robot. Let's start by pushing out the sounds. O, B, A, T. Robot. Now I'm going to bring down my sounds. What letter makes R? O. What letter makes O? O. It says its name. B. What letter makes B? B. And A. What letter makes A? O. And last, T. What letter makes T? T. So when I have my pattern, vowel, consonant, vowel, and because I hear the long O sound, it goes right before the consonant. So when I write it, ro, b, a, t, robot. Here, the word is in cursive. He built a robot for the competition. Robot. Nice job today, 3rd graders.